Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So get ready to dive into the exciting world of technology with us. Just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So guys, in today's video, Shark Tech is going to teach you about the customer relationship management of a call center. So the term CRM stands for customer relationship management, as I have told you, and it refers to a technology and strategy used by businesses to manage and analyze interactions with their customers and potential customers. In the context of a call center, a CRM system can play a crucial role in enhancing customer service, streamlining processes, and improving overall efficiency. A CRM system for a call center typically includes features such as customer information management, which centralized database that stores customer profiles, contact details, purchase history, and some other relevant information. Second, call logging and tracking. CRM systems record and track all customer interactions, including phone calls, emails, chats, and other communications. Then case management. CRM system often include case or ticket management features. Automation. Many CRM systems offer automation capabilities such as automatic call call routing to appropriate agents and sending follow-up emails after calls. Then integration with other systems such as telephony systems and communication channels. Reporting and analytics. CRM system provides insights into call center performance, agent productivity, customer satisfaction, and their key metrics. Scripting and knowledge management. Some CRM systems include scripting tools that guide agents through conversations and provide access to knowledge base, ensuring consistent and accurate information delivery. Some popular software of CRM are Zendesk, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Service, Zoho CRM, Sugar CRM, and some others. The choice of CRM system depends on a specific needs and size of call center, as well as the integration requirements with existing tools and systems. So guys, I hope that this video has removed all your confusion about CRM systems or call center. So like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel Shark Tech. Thank you guys, that's all for today.